In your Globe Outdoor Smart Plug box, you will find the Outdoor Smart Plug and your instruction sheet. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. Plug your Outdoor Smart Plug into a power source. The blue indicator light should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the power button for 5 seconds. Once the light is blinking rapidly, this means your plug is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your outdoor smart plug, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Device Discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. Wait a few moments for the plug to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Next. Tap Done. You can now control your outdoor smart plug directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the Outdoor Smart Plug to access its controls. You can manually control your smart plug from the Plug tab. Tap the power button icon to turn on the device. Tap again to turn your plug off. You can also turn your smart plug on and off with the physical power button located on the front of the device. To explore automatic routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. In the Routines panel, you will find a variety of preset routines. Each routine is unique and can be customized to your liking. To set a countdown for your plug to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. The Cycle routine lets you set a schedule for your device to turn on and off periodically during a set time frame and apply that routine to multiple days of the week. The Auto Off routine turns your device off automatically after a pre-selected period of time after it has been turned on. The Vacation routine lets you set a schedule for your device to automatically turn on and off and apply that schedule to multiple days of the week, giving the appearance that someone is home while you're away. Use the option Add a new schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. Tap the Plug tab at the bottom of the screen to return to the device's main panel. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, tap the gear icon to access the plug's hardware settings. Customize the restart status to set the state of the device when it is reconnected to a power source. You can have it automatically turn back on, stay off, or return to its last status. Light mode allows you to set the mode of the power button's light. Have it on when power is on, or on when power is off. You can also set it to always be off regardless of the plug's activity. Lastly, you may choose to enable the child lock feature, which will disable the power button entirely and only allow control of your device through the Globe Suite app. Connect your plug with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the Smart Home collection. Globe, Smart Home made easy.